Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make A3 size in Canva. So in order to do this, first of all, we'll search for what is the size of A3 in centimeters. As you can see, 29.7 centimeters and 42 centimeter is the size for A3 format. Now, what you'll have to do is simply navigate to Canva, click on the file option. Now from this, you'll have to choose custom size button. So here, we are going to enter 42 centimeter as the height and the width will be 29.7. After typing in the width as 29.7 and the height as 42, you'll have to choose units into centimeter. Now, after entering the width as 29.7 and the height as 42, in the units you'll have to choose centimeter. Now click on create new design. After you click on create new design, it will instantly show you an A3 page where you can easily start working on your project. So this is the A3 sheet that we just made in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.